Hello, students. Welcome back. So, in this session, I'm going to be talking about Join. So, the official website to actually find the latest information and the most updated information for Join is this right here. So, click over there, and this you can see you're going to find merge, join, concatenate, and all types of information over here. So, go to dataframe.join over here, scroll down. And this is where you're going to find all the helpful information. By the way, this is where I refer to, and this is where you want to go because this is the official website, and also if there's any change in the join, they actually update this. So this is where you want to go. And by the way, it's also very visual in nature. As you can see, they have a lot of nice little pictures, and you can visualize how join is happening over here. Okay, so let's talk about join. So join actually combines, okay, multiple columns. Okay, it combines the columns of multiple and potentially different index data frame into a single result data frame. That's what it does. So let's try to understand that through an example. All right, go copy and paste, run this, and all right. Now, let's say I have two data frame, left and right. This is my two data frame, okay, left, right here, okay, and then I have a right data frame right there. And then I want to do left dot join. I want to join them, and let's see what it produces. What exactly it gives us. So this is my left data frame. All right, I print out my left, I print out my right, and I'm also printing out my result. So you can see. All right. So this is my left right here. Okay, there's a K0, K1, K2. These are my index. Right has two columns, C and D. Left has two columns, A and B. And these columns are different from these columns. And then I perform my left dot join right. And what's going to happen? It's going to take this K0, K1, K2. Okay, you're going to see K0, K1, K2, which is, oops, K0, K1, K2, right? This is your keys right there, which is exactly same as this. And it's going to try to find all the corresponding keys over here. So you have K0 and K1, K0 and K2. So K0 is present over here, and K2 is present over here. So you're going to find the record for K0 and K1 over here, and including K2. But here's the problem. For your K1, right, you have entries over here, A1 and B1, but there is no K1 over here. So it's going to put NaN over there for the corresponding K1. And for K0 and K2, you are able to find entries, so it puts its corresponding entries over here. All right, now let's try to do a join using outer. Okay, so this is your outer join. So basically, think of this as a union. Okay, it's gonna union that. So I'm doing my result left dot join. Okay, right, comma, and this time I'm specifying my how. I'm saying join by outer. So if I run this, I'm actually printing my left. I'm also printing my right, and I'm this time printing my result too. So same data frame. Okay, so this is my left right here. This is my right over here, and I'm joining them. And what it's going to do now, it's going to combine all the keys K0. So you're going to find every single entry for each corresponding key K0, K1, and K2, K0, K2, and K3. So you're going to find K0, K1, K2, K3, all entries. And if a record does not exist in one column or one data frame, it's going to put NaN over there. So let's look at this one right here. Let's look at one of these, which is this one right here. So in this case, your K3, okay, that's your K3, that's your result. Now K3 exists only in C and in right data frame, right? In this one it exists, but it does not exist over here. It is just not present. So that's why you see NaN and NaN for the column A and B, which is from your left. All right, now there's another one, outer. Okay, so this actually will give you intersection. In other words, the keys that are present the in both the left and right. Okay, same thing. This time I'm doing the join, and I'm specifying my how equal to inner. So when I run this, by the way, same left, same right data frame. Okay, this is my right and left. Okay, and then it's only going to join if the keys are present in both of them. And as you can see, the only keys that's present is K0 and K1. Okay, K2, K0 and K2. As you can see, K0 is here and K2 is here, K0 is here, and K2 is here. So these are that's why it's called intersection of two data frames. So this is how you come with your result. All right. Okay. All right, gentlemen. Thank you.